So let's talk about how easy it is to create new designs when you've got like a massive Canva collection of things. You can mix and match pages, change covers and things like that, and create something that matches what your audience needs more. So, what we're looking at right now is our anxiety, ADHD, and mental health printables collection. Many of you probably have this. If you don't have it, make sure you grab it while it's on special. And it's got 468 pages of worksheets, planner pages, journal pages, and more. So you might want to take something and create something new out of it. And it's actually really easy to do. We have a couple of anxiety. There's the anxiety introspection journal and the anxiety mood journal. And so let's see, like, obviously, there's going to be things that might be useful in a larger journal that could be put together. So, what I usually do is I'd go to the grid view so I can see all the pages. And I would do that on this one. And let's say we're trying to add to this mood journal. And I like some of these, this analyze your mood page. I like this anxiety checklist, and I'm going to move it over. So in the grid view, which I found by going into the bottom here, I selected these items and I just go copy and I can paste them in to here. So it will end up here. And obviously, I can move it to wherever I want. And I'm just throwing this together. You would obviously analyze where you'd want everything more. But now, so we have something going on here, right? We have different fonts and we have different kind of a color scheme. So, what we'd probably like to do is I'll look at this one. When we see this page, we have gray as opposed to this pink color. So what we can do is we could put our mouse over this one and we can look and we can find the color here. So I clicked that and then I went over here and I see the colors that are in the document. It's this pink one that is on everything, right? So now I've changed one box, but right here you can say change all. Now, that could cause a problem if that colors the gray has been using somewhere else and it ends up not being what you want there everywhere. So you would have to double check. In this case, I think we're okay. I don't think that gray color was used anywhere else. Now it looks great. But what we also have different is the font. So it's the Seasons font. So I would probably come here. I might not want to have this in capital letters to match. So I'll just change that so it looks like the others. And then I would just put my mouse over. I go to the fonts here, and you can see that your document fonts here too. And we've already confirmed it's the Seasons. And again, we're going to change all. So now it changed these ones to that. That might make it a little harder to read. You might want to update this more to what it was before. Because it's smaller font, it might make sense, but it's up to you. So the other page we added here has also been updated. So you'd want to take a look and make sure things are lined up and looking how you'd like. There's no other colors on this one, so we'll probably just leave it alone. But it was super easy, as you could see. You can mix, match, make a bigger package if you're trying to do that. Obviously, you can bundle products too. When people feel like they're getting multiple finished products, it makes it sound good too. So whatever you think works best for that. Also, if you want to swap out covers, that's easy to do too. So you can at any time obviously change the background image here by searching through elements that they have. And we can look at some photos. I searched for Dreamscape. This is a nice subtle one that would say put the mouse over on a PC. I guess you would right click. On a Mac, I control and tap my mouse and I put set image as background. I think it might need a little something more, some more elements in it, be a moon or something, but you can update it that way. You can also just go over to templates on the left here and you could say book cover and you'll have a lot of different designs that you could do. I'll add a new page. I won't replace ours. So this is nice, right? And you could even just put you can always copy, grab everything. Then you click this, you can copy it and you can put it over here, or you can use the fonts that they suggested. You could put your branding on there, right? Created by whoever it is. And You could have a little quote there if you'd like, or just remove that. And of course, if you want to change the fonts too, sometimes if you're not sure what fonts to use, if you go over to text here, you can find different layout that you could use and adjust. Obviously, you could change the colors so you don't have to use it exactly how they have it. So maybe we could try one of these. We'll go there. We'd have to have a darker color, of course. We're not going to overthink it at this time. You could make it look so this would be anxiety, mood, and these are grouped when you get them. So if you want to move it around, you ungroup. Whenever you select two, you can group things and you can ungroup them. So that way it's easier to move around. So you could change this how you'd like to make it row. I would stretch it out a bit. There we go. And then we could put journal here. So lots of options for you. If you want the font bigger, maybe you do want it on 2 lines. And if in this case, maybe the spacing is a little large here, it looks like, you can go under here, advanced settings, this T, and you can change the line spacing. So it looks like it's more of a unit together, and you could stretch it out to be bigger, and you've got a new cover. There's another thing you can do with the background image of yours, and I believe it's a pro feature, but it's nice. Sometimes it's limited, but let's take a look at this. So what you do is you put your mouse over the cover, you click edit, and you want to edit the page, and you have this magic background. Yeah, it's listed as a pro feature. So then you can write a prompt and AI will create it for you. It's more like abstract kind of like stuff. So I find it's actually limited and sometimes using AI, maybe ChatGPT or whatever, they can come up with not only better prompts, they can help you create prompts, but they also sometimes do a better job of the background. Earlier, I did ask Claude for a background for an ADHD life organizer. So let's go back to that. And then I click on edit, page, magic background, and go generate. And it takes just a few moments. So it makes 4 designs. You can choose from the one you like. Let's also ask, we're going to ask it Claude to make the whole complete cover and see who does a better job. All right. Wow. So it went a little bit too far. I don't really like this design. So let's see what ChatGPT can do. So I gave kind of ChatGPT full reign, and it added text too that I didn't ask for, but it actually looks nice, right? Very easy to add here. And then having everything in Canva gives you full control over the complete design, right? When ChatGPT makes a design for you, then you are limited in like how you're able to edit it. Combining AI and Canva is always nice. So I would just drop that in there. And once it's loaded, I can go set image as background and it looks quite nice. Obviously, if you want to update it, the text, you can ask ChatGPT to complete the text for you. So I definitely think that's a winner over Claude's boring design. So just a few ways for you to make things fresher, to mix and match stuff and really play with it when you've got hundreds of pages to work with. There's lots you can do. You can also take pages and make them into something smaller, maybe something that you want to offer as as something free for download or a few pages. And maybe you still want to add a cover, which will make it look more enticing. So it's like a sample pack of worksheets or something like that. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's something I did on the screen that wasn't quite clear. Happy to help you out with that. Or if you need ideas on mixing and matching this collection, happy to do that with you.